Muhammad. I do CPR for the patient.
For the victim.
I see the patient put the area, safety area. After that, see if his conscious and non-conscious. Are you okay? First thing I ask him, are you okay?
No response?
No response. I do something. Maybe he's stimulate.
Pain?
After that,
Still not okay? No response?
it's not okay. And no response. I call 997.
997.
Tell
What
him,
you are going to say to 997?
Tell him his name and the area. Tell him
The name of the patient or your name?
my name.
Yeah.
And the area and the condition.
Okay.
Open the airway. Open the airway. After that, I check the.
What's the name of that maneuver in opening airway?
Head
Tilt.
tilt.
Okay. Chin lift.
I feeling I feel and maybe sound breathing.
Look, listen, feel what you're going to see.
See the chest.
Chest. Okay. Chest rise.
After that, if I don't sound, see maybe.
No sign of breathing. What you do?
See maybe something here.
Obstruction?
In the mouth.
Yes.
Removal if don't found anything there. I give him to breathing.
Two breathing.
To breathing.
How many seconds in one breath?
Maximum 5.
Maximum for this two breathing.
To maximum. I do it breathing.
How? Let me see. How do you do it? Like that?
Maximum. I wait maximum 5 seconds and do it another breathing.
No.
Do it two breathing. I do it two breathing. After that, I.
Two breathing for 5 seconds. Okay, that's good. What about the circulation?
The circulation. I check the pulse. If not pulse.
What pulse is that? How many seconds you will look for the pulse?
10.
10.
10 seconds.
Okay.
Let's
say no pulse.
No pulse. I do it
Compression.
Conversion chest in the sternum. I do it
above 2 fingers.
Okay. Continue. Above the sternum.
حط يعني عادي بس خلي مسيب.
Hand straight. Yes.
Do it 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 to 30.
Until 30. And then after 30 compressions?
After that, I'm giving him to breathing.
Okay. And then after that?
Circulation for
4 cycles.
4.
After 4 cycles, you'd say 30 compressions and 2 and 30 and 2 until 4 cycles. Yeah. What do you do next?
I see breathing and pulse. But I see the pulse. If it's found the pulse.
There is pulse, but weak pulse.
Weak pulse, do it again.
But if the pulse is strong?
Comfortable position.
Put it in a comfortable position.
Recovery
position.
Okay.